My name is Mike, and welcome to Mad River Outdoors. Welcome back to the property. Thanks for joining us this week. Thank you to all the newcomers, and thank you to all the people that come back and watch my videos every week. I really appreciate you. This week, we're going to try to get a outhouse that we went and bought from the Amish. It costs $625. We had to go and get a trailer. We got it loaded up on the trailer, and we finally got it up to the property. And as you can see, we're going to dig some holes, and we got to cut some holes in the barrel so that we can have a way for the water and excess fluids to leach out. We got to backfill the hole with some stone. So other than that, I think it should be a pretty exciting day. Thanks again for joining us.
The hole confined to right there, you're doing good. Alright, so when you come back over here, dig it a little bit to this way.
We're going to drill holes in the bottom of this thing so that all the liquid can funnel out through the bottom, and we're going to cut some slits in the side of it so that it can come out the side as well. We don't not want to keep it from draining, but we don't want to ruin the integrity of the barrel as well. Let's try not to cut our finger off. Woo! Oh, we got water pouring in. Well, that's fascinating, Captain. Okay. So we got our hole dug, and we got about 4 inches of stone in the bottom of it so we can get a nice firm base. We put some holes in our barrel, and we got it seated. We're going to go ahead and start to backfill this hole with some additional stone and dirt, and we're going to just continue to press on. Now, the one thing I don't think is a good idea is using runner crush at the bottom. We should probably have just used big stones because the runner crush has got fines in it and it won't make for good drainage. All right, I'd say we're about good. I mean, it's about a third of the way full. He'll be okay. Yep. Perfect. Drop. We need to get some flat stones.
All right, it's great.
All right. I don't know if it's recording or not. What's the horse's name? Prince? Yeah. All right, so at this point, we're getting ready to wind down the day. We're going to go ahead and get some food and try to enjoy and relax. Unfortunately, we couldn't get quite as far as we wanted to. We did get the outhouse placed where we want to. We got it up on stones. There's a little bit of work we got to do still to get a stone base underneath it. We did get the bucket placed right in the middle, so that worked out really well. We were able to get the bucket directly over here. However, with the hole being where it is, we've got to go ahead and get it moved back a few inches. So what I'm going to do is take a new piece of plywood, cut out a big square here, and remount that. Other than that, we should be ready to go with this outhouse. If you like this kind of content, please consider clicking that like and subscribe button. I'll have a playlist that'll pop up here that'll show all the latest videos of what we got going on the property and really go back all the way from the start. Thanks again for your time, and we'll see you on the flip side.